Dear students, if we want to know the art of narrating anything, if we want to learn the art of narrating anything, then we have to learn narration. And in the earlier three parts, I have discussed what is narration, the art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. And when we find the real words of the speaker within inverted comma is called direct speech. And when we convert the real words of the speaker into our own words, then it is indirect speech. And we have also learned the general rules. First, change of person. First person change according to subject. Second person changes according to object. Third person no change. This is the change of person. Second thing, in the general rules, change of tense. If the reporting verb is present or future, the reported speech is not changed, it remains the same. But if the reporting verb is past, the tense of the reported speech also change into past. These are the general rules. Now we are learning special rules for interrogative sentence. This I have discussed, but once again we want to revise the special rules of interrogative sentence. First thing, what should be the reporting verb when we change the direct speech into indirect speech of interrogative sentence? What would be the reporting verb? For interrogative sentence, the reporting verb will be asked if the sentence is in present tense, if the sentence is in past tense, then ask. If the sentence is in future tense, then will ask. Second thing, what would be the conjunction? We have discussed that the conjunction of assertive sentence will be that, but here in interrogative sentence, if the sentence starts with helping verb or finite verb, then the reporting verb will be, conjunction will be either if or whether. begins with finite verb or helping verb. Conjunction will be if or whether. But if the reported speech begins with WH words as what, where, who, whose, which, when, etc. The conjunction will be same WH word. Means if the reported speech begins with what, conjunction will be what. If the reported speech begins with where, then conjunction would be where. If the reported speech begins with who, then the conjunction will be who. Understand? Now, fourth rule. Interrogative sentence will be changed into assertive sentence. Note, here general rules will be followed. What is general rules? That first subject, then verb. If the reporting verb is past, then the tense of the reported speech, which remains within inverted comma, will be also changed into past. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech will be the same. This is the gender rule, and we have to follow the gender rules. Now, take examples. My friend said to me, Do you like sandwich? Now indirect. This is direct speech. The same words of the speaker. Now we have to change the real words of the speaker into our own words. Interrogative sentence. So reporting verb would be asked because this is past. My friend asked me. Here we don't find any WH word. Here reported speech starts with helping verb. So the conjunction will be either if or whether. Take if. Now general rules will be followed. What is general rule? First subject, then verb. It means we have to change the interrogative sentence into assertive. So first subject, leave verb. Second person, we know that changes according to object. This part, which is within inverted comma, changes according to this part, which is beyond inverted comma. So second person changes according to object. Object is me, but here it is in subject form, nominative case. So me will be changed into subject I, because we well know that after conjunction subject form is used, nominative case is used, I. And in this case, when do does comes along without the use of not, in that case do does deleted. It will be deleted because it is helping verb. But if do comes as main verb, then it will not be deleted. If I, this is deleted, V1 change according to what? V2, past tense, simple past. Like V1, it means simple present, it will be changed into simple past. General rules here would be followed. So like V1 change into light. Sandwich. Okay. Now second. He said to you, do you not like my advice? Here with do, not is used. So in this case, do will not be deleted. Do not will be changed into did not. But here not is not used. So do is deleted. Now change. He said to asked you. Here conjunction will be if. Now interrogative sentence will be changed into assertive. So first subject, you, second person, according to object. Object is what? You. You do not did not, like. My first person according to subject. Subject he. This is possessive form. In which form any word is, we have to change in that form. So my first person, here two rules will be followed. My first person according to subject. My is in possessive form, so he will be changed into possessive form. What is possessive of he? His. We have already drawn the chart and we have discussed it. So he, his. Advice. Once you had noticed here the V1 was changed into V2. But this V1 is not changed into V2. Why? Do is changed into did. This is simple past and this was simple present. Do you not like? Simple present because V1. So simple present change into simple past. It will not that do, did and like, liked. No. Okay. And number 3. Ravi said to me, does he not talk much? Here also we find with do and does not. Here do not. Here does not. So does will not be deleted. Not deleted. If does comes along without the use of not, in that case does will be deleted. Ram asked me if, leave this. Okay, first here subject, because interrogative sentence will be changed into assertive. First subject, then verb. He third person no change. Same. If here his, then his. If him, then him. No change. And does not will be changed into did not. Simple present, simple past. Talk much. Here we were discussing about the use of do, does, and one thing did. Now take one more example with did. I said to him, did you not like my idea? Here we have taken did, do, does, did. Simple past. And we know that simple past changes into past perfect. First into third. I asked him if. You second person according to object. Object is him. But we have to bring the form subject. What is subject of him? He. Did changes into had and V3 because simple past changes into past perfect. He had not, this time V3. Why V3? Because simple past, second form of do, simple past, change into past perfect, had V3. You know the structure. If he had not liked my first person according to subject, I, possessive form, and what is possessive of I? My. So same, my idea. So what did we notice here? Do, that is V1, change into V2. Did, that is V2, change into had plus V3. See here, had V3. And if was where, in that case had been. Here we are applying the general rules in this case. Okay, now take some another example. He said to her, was I not helping you? This is past continuous tense. Was before. But this is interrogative sentence. The first use of verb, then subject. Now, he asked me. Conjunction if, because reported speech starts with helping verb. If first subject, then verb, because here general rules will be applied. Here I first person according to subject, he. So the words which are within inverted comma change according to the words which is beyond inverted comma. This part changes according to this part. First person according to subject, subject is he, so he. And here we have written was where change into had been. Was, had been, had. Now here come not, then been. So what place of not is between had and been. Not had been not. No. Had not, then been. Was changes into had been. Then not. V4 into V4. Use second person according to object. Object is what? Her. Okay. Her. He said to me, had you not gone to Agra. See here, this is a past perfect tense, had V3. Okay, interrogative sentence, then verb is used first, then subject. While we change this interrogative sentence, then first subject, then verb. He asked me. Conjunction will be if. Why? Because there is no use of WH words. Now the general rules will be applied. You according to second person according to object. Object is me. So, what is the subject form of me? I. We know that past perfect change into past perfect. It remains unchanged. Simple past into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Past perfect remains the same. Past perfect continuous tense remains the same. So past perfect remains same. If you change the I had not gone to Agra. He says to me, have I teased you? Reporting verb is present, so it will be changed into asks, not asked, because here present, so reporting verb will be also present. He asks me if first subject, first person according to subject. He. Have will be changed into has, not had. Tense will not be changed. Why? Because reporting verb is a present. So here tense will remain unchanged. No change in tense. If present perfect, it will be also present perfect. If I into he, have will be changed to has. Teased. V3 remains same. V1 into V2. V2 had V3. V3 into V3. V4, V4. This is V3. No change. Use second person according to object. What is object? Me. So right here me. So this was the case when the reported speech starts with helping verb. Now we should take some examples which starts with WH words. Now see, the reported speech that starts with WH words. I said to Rohan, where do you live? I asked Rohan. Here no use of if because WH word is used. Here the conjunction will be WH. Here do comes alone without the use of not. So do will be deleted. If do comes with not, then do not will be changed into did not. Here no use of not, so do will be deleted. Where use second person according to object. Object is what? Rohan. Rohan is a boy. So he leave V1 change into V2. Leave simple present change into simple past. She will say to me, what do you want? Here reporting verb is a simple future. Okay. She will say to change into ask. If ask, then no use of to. Here you will find ask, no use of to. Ask, no use of to. Asks, no use of to. She will ask me, WH, conjunction, what. Here do comes all alone without the use of not. It will be deleted. Use second person according to object. Object is me. What is subject form of me? I. Okay. You changed it into I. Do is deleted and V1 will be also V1. No change in tense. No change. Why? No change because reporting verb is a future. If the reporting verb is future or present, the tense of the reported speech remains the same. No change. When the tense of the reported speech changes, when the reporting verb is past. Memorize special rules. For interrogative sentence. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Number 1. I said to him, why does he not respect you? Number 2. The teacher said to me, why were you absent yesterday? Was were changed into had been. She said to me, when is your mother coming? Or is your mother coming? All the sentences start with WH questions. Now, without the use of WH question, I said to the hunter, can you kill a tiger? No use of WH. Ravi said to his mother, will you not give me some money? Okay, I hope that you have understood how interrogative sentences are changed from direct speech into indirect form of speech. If you have any doubt, you will ask me in the next class. Okay, thank you.